So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download this Microsoft Utility software, which is going to fix your problem. So you just want to copy and paste this, go to any web browser, paste it, and then click on enter. It's going to start automatically downloading for you. And then once you have the Microsoft Fix It utility, you want to right click on it, and then click on Show in Folder. And now it's going to appear in your downloads folder. And then once you have this, you want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Compatibility. And then you want to tick Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Tick this, and then make sure you have previous version of Windows selected, and then click on OK. And then once you do that, you just want to double click on the file. This will come up, you want to click on I agree, and then click on Next. Once this comes up, you want to click on Yes, and then click on Yes again. Wait for this to load. Now that's been done, you want to click on Close. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.